Hey there, my friends. Today, we are going to tackle the biggest problems that you need to solve in your business when you are not making enough money. And I'm going to tell you the three biggest problems that you're going to want to tackle, where they come from, and how to fix them right away. If you're new to me, my name is Kelly Schaefer. I am the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help people market more successfully so that they can get more clients, make more money, and have a greater impact in their local community. And today I want to help you problem solve when you have started your business, or you started telling people about your business, or you started doing some marketing for your business. Because all businesses, if they're not making the money that they want to make and they don't have the clients coming in that they want to, no matter what business you have, there are three core areas that you want to look at. And these are the three biggest problems. And I'm going to tell you what they are and how to solve for them. Okay, so the first problem that you might be facing is your phone isn't ringing. You started your business, you're putting out some social media posts, maybe you're telling some strangers about what it is that you do. Perhaps you put up that website. By the way, you don't need a website right away. Anyway, if that's what you've done, but ring, ring, your phone is not ringing. Here is the deal, my friends. If your phone is not ringing, this is a marketing problem, which means essentially either you're not doing enough marketing, you're not doing the right kind of marketing, or people are not responding to your marketing in a way that makes them physically want to pick up the phone and call you. The second problem is if your phone rings, but they are a no on the phone. So somebody calls you, they want to know about your services, and they end up saying no. The first thing, this is actually a two-part problem. Number one, it is a sales problem. You need to get better at selling. And this often happens when you don't really know how to convert somebody on the phone, because people will call and you'll talk to them. But a lot of times what happens is you're not really sure yourself how you can help someone. And if you are not sure, then they're not sure that you are the person to help them, and they end up saying no. So it's partly a sales problem, but it is also partly a marketing problem. And the reason why it is also partly a marketing problem is that in your marketing that you're doing that's getting people to call you, in your marketing, there are pieces of your marketing that are missing. So then when they get on the phone, then they're a no, or you're not being clear enough in who is a right or a wrong fit client for you. So for example, they may be a no, or you may be a no. And the way you solve for the no is, one, it could be a sales problem, but two, it is also often a marketing problem. Now, the last thing that you want to solve, because all three of these will impact the money that you make and your bottom line of your business and even your profitability. So if people don't stay or come back, so people hire you once and they never come back again, or they hire you once and they don't have you do more stuff for them. This is really prevalent in the concierge industry. So the first thing you want to know is there is going to be a small percentage of people that actually will only use you once, because they might just have one project that they need your help with. Or if they move and they need your help to move and pack them and they go out of state. So that might just be a one-time deal. So there is going to be a percentage of people who will literally work with you once and be done. And that is totally fine. But there are other people that are not staying or coming back. And this is a retention problem. And the way we solve this retention problem is we help them understand how to use your services more. You can learn how to anticipate their needs faster. And what this actually comes down to is, guess what? It's actually another marketing problem. But instead of it being a marketing problem to new people, it's a marketing problem to the people that you already have. If you started your business and you are doing your marketing and you're going out there and one of these three things is not happening, this is where you want to solve for your problems first. Once you solve for these problems, I guarantee you your number of clients and the money that you make will increase. But you have to be willing to problem solve. A lot of people start their businesses, and then when things don't go well, they just run on to the next thing, or they blame their niche, or they blame their demographics, or they blame their pricing. In reality, it's not usually any of those things. It's one of these core 3 things. Okay, my friends, if you are new to the industry or you are marketing and you're struggling with your marketing, I want you to grab a copy of my book, The Concierge Life. I'm going to put a link to it below. And it also comes, when you buy a book from me, it also comes with additional resources to help you with your marketing. And if this video was helpful, I want you to hit up the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. All right, my friends, until next time, bye for now.